Hey all, we're going to talk about two cool examples that we can use case statements with. Now, a case statement is really just an if statement in the select. So case is an if statement in the select clause. That's all it is. And I'm going to show you some examples. So I want you to take a look at the actor table real quick, okay? I can't zoom in here, but let me zoom in here. Actors can start with any names, but what if we wanted to bucket the first letter of each name into its own category? So watch what I'm about to do. Select case, oops, when left first name 1 between A and D, then, oops, A to D. When left first name 1 between E and, I don't know, T, then E to T. And I don't have to write the next part. I don't have to write T, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, Q, R, S, T, U through Z. I don't have to write that because I could just say else U through Z. And as first name buckets. Okay, what have we done? What have we done? What we've done is we've bucketed, we've created a new field, okay? This action creates a new field. It's like a calculated field. And what it is it's saying, hey, if the first letter of this word, this first name, is between A and T, then the new field should say A through D. So there will be a new column right here. And in this field, since that letter is between E and T, it'll say ET. It'll say this, E through T. Um, we've created a new calculated field. Let's just try from actor. So let's just try this. I'm going to say select star so you can see the whole table and this new calculated field. Watch what happens. Okay, so let's find one that isn't. Look at this one. So this one starts with B, so it ends up in A through D. This one is a Z, and so that qualifies for the else. The first letter is Z, so it ends up in U through Z. So again, all we've done with this case statement is write an if statement that's like, hey, if this is between A and D, then give me A through D. If the first letter here is between E through T, then say E through T. If it doesn't meet either of these criteria, then just give it U through Z. All right, let me show you one more example with case using money. And we're going to take it one step further than we did here with the first name. So what I want you to do is open the payment table, and I want you to see that there are amounts here. Staff ID obviously represents an employee. There's only 2 staff at this video store apparently. So what if I said I want to bucket the amounts? Let's start just by doing that. So select case when amount is less than 1, then less than 1. When amount is greater than or equal to 1 and amount is less than 3, then 1 to 3. When amount is greater than or equal to 3 and amount is less than 5, then 3 to 5, else 5 plus, and as bucketed amounts. Okay, so if I said select star and ran this, error code, no tables used. Oh, we need a from statement. Plot twist. We need a from statement. Okay, so this should show me the normal table with the star plus our buckets, which we've just added. So I want you to, I'm not going to show you, I want you to pause this and think about this question for a second. What if I wanted to see amount by staff ID by the bucketed amounts? Okay, pause the video, think about that. I want to see the total amount by staff ID by bucketed amount. And then here's the second follow-up question. Do you need a subquery to do that? Okay? So hopefully you've paused the video, thought about that. Let me show you. I made a mistake when I was first recording this. I used a subquery. Brother Baron, all this experience in SQL, I did the wrong thing. It still works. It's just wrong. It's inefficient. It's not efficient SQL writing. So we need to understand the concepts better, including myself, so that we don't make these mistakes. After I made the video, I was thinking about it. I'm like, wait, what the heck? Why did I do that? I didn't need to do that. So if we want to see sum of staff, the amount, we want to see the amounts by staff ID by this new bucketed amount, what we need to do is write staff ID and the sum of amount right here, comma. Now, what goes in the group by? Well, because we know the group by happens after the select statement, this case exists. The table with bucketed amounts exists before you begin grouping. So if you group by staff ID and bucketed amounts, you have exactly what you need without a subquery. So here I'm going to sort by staff ID. We're saying for employee 1 in these buckets, this is the amount this employee sold in those buckets. So they didn't do much activity in less than 1. They did way more activity in 3 to 5 and 5 plus for employees 1 and 2. So this is again a way we can bucket and then actually group by those buckets if we want. So that is case statement. Hope that makes sense. Eager to talk about this in class.